Start with the memory. So there is an 8 gig DIMM slot there and one right here, so I have 16 gigs of memory. Underneath this, I can't remember what is the Xeon processor, but it is 4 cores and 8 threads. I'll put that in the description once I figure it out. Coming further down, you have the wonderful Quadro M4000 graphics card. Right here is my Wi-Fi adapter. Not sure if you can really see, but it's an AC 1300 PCI Express graphics card by TP-Link. And last but not least, let's see if I can get this taken out here. And last but not least, this is my Crucial SSD. It's 1 terabyte. So that's a quick rundown of what I have in my machine.